All right, I'm not even sure where we left off last time because I've been slacking for a couple weeks. You can see behind me that Colorado, it's getting cold and snowy, man. So coming into the garage has been a little bit of a challenge. It's definitely something I don't want to do lately. The second reason I've been slacking is that this inner rocker area, the heater channel, the rocker panel itself, completely rusted, and it's been a little overwhelming. Basically what I got to do is figure out how to remove all these pieces by, I guess you could call it reverse engineering. I got to figure out how they all put it together so that I could take it apart. I don't want to cut too much off, and I got to make sure that I'm cutting the right thing so that I don't have to do extra work. So the challenge for today is to get this inner heater channel removed, which I've got it loosened up. It's almost there. We just got to figure out how to get the back section here loose. So thanks for coming back, and let's get after it. I got the skin taken off, and now underneath it, it was completely rotted. So we just about got the inner heater channel removed, at least on this side. I have, I don't know, like 9 bolts that I got to remove from the pan, and then figure out how to get this section out, and then we'll be replacing it with this guy here. It's going to go on the inside there. And then once that's done, we'll be able to mount this inner skin, or the outer skin. We'll be able to mount this outer skin to the outside of the car. Then get this panel replaced, and then start working on this panel. And again, trying to get it to the front of the car. And then we're going to work our way down the car. hopefully that's how it works out.